असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Hi, hello children. Welcome to MRMS Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss Grade 3 Science Chapter 7 The Story of Cooking Session 2. Today we are going to learn about storing of food. If we ask our parents, we will find out that they buy food items for a few days. They'll buy for a few days. So that they do not have to go to the market every day. Our parents use the food items when they required and stores the food items properly. Storing of food is two types. One is storing of raw food and storing of cooked food. Today we are going to learn storing of raw food. Let's find how many raw food items can be stored properly. Raw food items, especially fruits and vegetables, tend to lose their freshness very quickly. Some may even begin to dry also, and some decay within a few hours. So, we need to be very careful while storing fruits and vegetables. We should store fresh fruits and fresh vegetables in the refrigerator. We should always keep the cut fruits and vegetables properly covered in refrigerator. Cereals and pulses get spoiled by insects and germs if not stored properly. We should store cereals and pulses in airtight containers. Apart from proper storage of food items, it is also important to keep some points in mind before eating or before cooking them. We should always wash and clean the fruits and vegetables before eating them as a raw or using them for cooking. We should always wash the fruits and vegetables before cutting them. Many minerals and vitamins are lost if these are washed after cutting. We should always wash the cereals and pulses properly before cooking. In next session or next video, we are going to discuss about storing of cooked food.